Welcome to this professional learning experience where we encourage you to learn, lead, inspire, and transform. This tutorial has a learning target which includes the following. How do I create a course in PLA Learning Institute? What information do I need before I begin? First, we need to use the Google Chrome browser. Once you've reached that browser, make sure you utilize your login information for the PLA Learning Institute website. That URL includes phalanacademys.instructure.com/login/canvas. Once you've reached that URL, you'll come to the login screen. Make sure that you utilize your personal email address, which is your login, and your password. If you forget your password, please click the hyperlink that says forgot password, and then it'll send you an email and reset your password. Now you're ready to log into the platform and create your course. So let's go to the platform, Learning Institute. I'm going to put our login information in. Now, once we're in, you'll notice all of the courses that are published for which you are either a teacher or a student. And so we have all of our cards here. You'll notice that all of these courses that you see on my home screen, they have some great photographs, they're engaging. And so when you get ready to create your course, we want you to think about what you see here. Is it colorful? Does it attract? Look at the name of the courses. Does it really speak to what our educators will be learning? Virtual learning, Zoom and Google, Canvas Course 101, culturally responsive instruction, HMH collections reading 6th through the 12th grade. It's pretty clear and obvious what I can expect when I log into that course. Reading Advantage, close reading, PLA coaching cycle for teachers, instruction and pedagogy. And again, so your thumbnail is really important towards drawing in our educators to be interested and or to seek above and beyond learning with your course. Now, the first thing that you will do is you should have access to a button that says admin because you have access to create a course. Then you're going to click Phalan Leadership Academies. Then you will have a side menu here. You'll have courses most likely at the top and people. You're going to want to make sure that if it's not, you find the courses hyperlink, which mine automatically defaults to courses. Then on the top right-hand corner, you will see a plus sign and courses. So we're adding a new course, and so this is the button that we want to create. So I'm going to click here. Then when you do that, this is all the details and information that you will need to create a course. You need a course name. I'm going to call it test number 1 for the sake of this training. Reference code. You can have a reference code if you want. All right. I'm just going to call it TTT1. Sub-account. Sub-accounts just means we like to cluster our courses. Is this a course that involves academics, recruitment or talent acquisition, leadership? So is this a leadership course? Is this a human assets course? Is this about hiring and things related to human assets? Is this summer advantage course or content? Is this finance content? Or does this content refer more to operation systems or our marketing team? And so you'll click because I'm just going to put mine under the academics team. And then PLA network term. All of our courses default to the PLA network term. So that's the time period that the course will begin and end. We're going to click add course. And once we've done that, yay, we've just added a course. Now it is not published. However, let's go and find it. I'm going to click on the last page because most likely, all right, it's going to pop up on the last page because it was most recently created. Okay. So when I click here, test number 1, I notice my courses here, the PLA network term. You'll notice all of the courses are defaulted as PLA network term. My sub account it falls under academics. There are 0 people in this course, and yeah, okay, so it's literally just a show right now. I'm going to click on this course. The next thing that we would ask you to do, notice it's unpublished. It's not published yet because this button would be green if it was, okay? And there's no content in here yet. First thing we ask you to do is scroll down and click on the settings tab. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create and choose an image. Again, we talked about something that's really, it has to have high pixels, it needs to be great quality, or we're going to, as a training team, we're going to encourage you to change your picture so that it aligns with that high expectation. Then your name is going to pop up that you created initially, your course code, which is kind of a nickname. These categories need to be filled out. Once you scroll down, you'll notice the sub account is already filled out. The PLA network term is defaulted there. You don't need to put a start or end date. Okay. The next thing that's the most important to you is when you scroll down, you want to look under the visibility. Okay. This is our institution course. So it's not public. Public means that any teacher around the world can search in the Canvas platform and find your course and access it if they want. We don't want it to be public. We want it to be within our network. So click institution here, scroll down, and mastery path is always checked, and that's fine. Here under description, you're going to want to already have pre-typed your description on a Google Doc. So that way all you have to do is copy and paste it here. Okay. Um, and so this is a sample description of a course. I'm going to click more options because you must click this button. Let students self-enroll by sharing with them a secret URL. We want every educator in our network to self-enroll. We want everyone to have access. Then you will click add a join this course link to the course home page. A lot of us in our network don't even know that we have a home page, but we will definitely share that with you. Gonna click here to update our course details. Great. Now we are done. And you know what? For the sake of this, I'm going to show you how to upload a picture. I click to upload a picture. It says upload an image. I click there. From my computer, it goes right to my downloads folder. Okay. So I have my image here. For you, it might be your desktop, wherever you're going to, or in your pictures. And you're going to click the picture you want. I click that. Once it's found it, it's going to put my thumbnail right here. Okay. If you utilize one of our marketing platforms that our marketing team has purchased and or we have a license for, feel free to create your thumbnail in that. That could be on one of our editing platforms that we have a license for. But either way, make sure the pixels and the picture is high quality. Okay. We have not published this course yet, and that's fine because we don't have anything in it. We've just set it up. And as of right now, this is all the information you need. I'm going to click update it again. Now we have our image. We have all of our content that we need. And now I want you to see what it looks like. I want you to see what it looks like now from the home page. So I'm going to go back into Canvas. Okay. When it says browse courses, this is our course catalog right here. Okay. And guess what? These are all our courses that are accessible to us in our network. Okay. And so notice it says join this course. Now our course isn't going to be on here because we haven't published it yet. But when you keep clicking, these are all of the courses that you have access to and everyone in our network. They don't need our permission to join. All they have to do is click this button. You'll see Eureka Math. This session prepares new users to implement Eureka Math successfully. Educators explore the curriculum and understand how to learn. Whenever you write a description, it should have at least what our educators are going to learn, understand, and what they should be able to do by the end of that course. It's very important. Okay, and so descriptions are huge, and obviously the title of the course needs to be clear and able for our educators to decide, yeah, this sounds like a course that I need. You'll notice some of our courses have descriptions and others don't. Our goal is to make sure every course has a description and all of our educators are able to search and to access every course in our platform. All right, so that concludes our entire session today. We hope that everything supported your learning and you have a wonderful, wonderful day.